sklearnutilsextmathweightedmode mode. Description: this function calculates the weighted mode of a sequence of values. The weighted mode is the value that appears most often in the sequence, taking into account the weights associated with each value. The function can handle both numerical and categorical values. Inputs: A1D array of values for which to calculate the mode. Weights: an array of weights associated with each value in A. If none, all values are assumed to have equal weights. Outputs: mode: the weighted mode of the sequence A. Count the number of times the mode appears in the sequence A, taking into account the weights. Steps: if weights is none, all values are assumed to have equal weights and the mode is calculated using the standard mode. Function: if weights is not none, the function iterates through each unique value in R and calculates the total weight associated with that value. The value with the highest total weight is returned as the weighted mode. Metrics: accuracy. The accuracy of the weighted mode can be measured by comparing the predicted mode to the actual mode of the sequence. Visualization plots. Histogram: a histogram can be used to visualize the distribution of values in R and the corresponding weights. Bar chart: a bar chart can be used to compare the counts of different values in R, taking into account the weights. Fine-tune parameters. None. Uncertainty methods. Confidence interval: a confidence interval can be calculated for the weighted mode to indicate the uncertainty in the prediction. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: if the weights are not normalized, the weighted mode may be biased towards values with higher weights. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: if the weights represent the frequency of each value in a dataset, but the dataset is not balanced, the weighted mode may be skewed towards the majority class. Fixes to challenge 1: normalize the weights before calculating the weighted mode. Challenge 2: if the sequence A contains duplicate values, the weighted mode may not be unique. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: if a dataset contains multiple instances of the same value, the weighted mode may be ambiguous. Fixes to challenge 2: use a tie-breaking mechanism to select a single weighted mode from among the multiple values with the highest total weight.